my channel, and I'm Noah Crystal, and today I'm going to be talking to you about my channel. So as you guys know that my channel is playing about Adopt Me and another new games. So in today I'm going to be talking about my my YouTube. In here right now, I will going to be talking. In one video that I post. Please look at the description carefully if you watched the wrong video. And also, I'm going to be talk 3 languages in one video. One languages in one video. But all the video I have a different languages. So it have like Korea, Cambodia, and English. I just put Korean to be, it's the same. So I have the 3 languages, and I want my another languages to know that another country to know about the speaking. That's why I really try to speak 3 of them. So in the 1 week, I will making only 3 videos, and they're going to be have Korea, Cambodia, and English speaking in there. So my videos are about game and some speaking. That's what I'm doing right now, cause I can't show my real life yet. If I can show it now, maybe I can make another like prank or something. And I really thank you everyone about this. About the 23 subscribers. I know that it's not much, but I still love everyone. And if you are watching this video right now, I hope you enjoyed this video. And the best thing is, until right now, start from now, I'm going to be making around 3 languages video in 1 week. So I hope everyone can watching my video and have some enjoy and fun, because I love recording videos. Okay, I think that's all from now about my. And if you want to know some more, please come to watch in the intro that I already put in here for 4 minutes ago. So if I have some many mistakes or around in my video, will you please forgive me? I'm sure that I can take it back. Okay, so I think it's all for now. That's all in this hour video today. Because I'm going to be making Cambodia videos soon at the moment. So I have to be prepared about 3 languages in 1 week. Thank you for watching and listening this video. I hope you enjoy, and see you guys in the next video.